How to log in a Patreon account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into your Patreon account. For this, go ahead and open up the Play Store app on your device, and then you want to have the Patreon app installed on your device. Once you have it installed, tap on the open option. Once the Patreon application has been launched, this will be the interface. Here, you can enter your email address and tap on the continue option. After that, enter your password and tap on the login option in order to be logged in. Or if you have used your Google account or Facebook account to create your account, then simply tap on continue with Google or continue with Facebook option. If you're facing any difficulty while logging in, tap on the need help signing in option. Now, I'm going to choose the Google account. Once you tap on this option, you might have to select your Google account. And once that is done, you will be successfully logged into your Patreon account. As you can see, you have been logged in and now you can start using the Patreon app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.